One of the most common questions homeowners ask is, how long should my roof last? And it's a fair question. Replacing a roof is a major investment, and most people want to know how long they can expect that investment to protect their home. The problem is, the answer isn't as simple as a single number. Roof lifespan depends on several factors that homeowners don't always hear about up front. I'm Bill Ragan, and I've been solving problems with homeowners for over 35 years. Today I'll explain how long a roof typically lasts, what affects its lifespan, and what homeowners should realistically expect. Let's get into it. How long does a roof typically last? The majority of residential roofs will last around 20 to 25 years in the United States. This is mainly based on asphalt shingles, the most commonly used roofing material. However, every roofing material has its own lifespan. 3-tab shingles last 15 to 20 years. Architectural shingles last 20 to 25 years. Luxury shingles last somewhere between 30 and up to 50 years. Standing seam metal roofs last from 30 to 50 years. Synthetic shingles last somewhere between 30 and 50 years. Cedar shakes, you're going to get about 30 years out of them. Even within the same material category, performance can vary widely depending on how the roof is installed. What factors affect how long a roof lasts? Several key factors determine the roof lifespan. Quality of the installation. A roof installed incorrectly can fail years earlier than expected. Roof ventilation. Poor ventilation traps heat and moisture, which shortens shingle life. Materials used. Higher quality shingles and underlayment generally last longer. Weather exposure. Wind, storms, heat, and sun exposure all impact longevity. Maintenance. Small issues left unaddressed can turn into major problems. Signs your roof may be near the end of its life. Homeowners should watch for curling or cracked shingles, granule loss, repeated repairs or recurring leaks, sagging areas, roof age approaching 20 years. These signs don't always mean immediate failure, but they do indicate it's time to start planning. While manufacturers' stated lifespans can be misleading. Many homeowners assume warranties equal lifespan, but it's important to understand that a 30-year shingle doesn't automatically mean your roof will last 30 years. In reality, warranties don't prevent wear and tear. Installation issues can void the coverage. Most warranties are prorated over time. Understanding how warranties work helps set realistic expectations. How to get the most life out of your roof. To maximize your roof's lifespan, choose an experienced contractor. Install proper ventilation, use quality materials, address small issues early, avoid shortcuts during installation. A roof is a system. Every component of that roof matters. Summary of the key points. Most asphalt shingle roofs last between 20 and 25 years. Installation and ventilation play a major role. Materials and weather affects the longevity. Warranties don't guarantee lifespan. Understanding how long a roof lasts helps you plan ahead, avoid surprises, and make better decisions about repairs or replacements. If you want to learn more about roofing systems, cost, or how to prepare for a roof replacement, please visit our website at billraganroofing.com. I'm Bill Ragan with Bill Ragan Roofing Company. Thanks for watching the Roofing Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe so we can continue helping homeowners just like you. I'll see you on the next one.